President, please be seated. The court is now back in session, and again the chamber will hand the floor to Q Sampon's defense to continue putting questions to the witness. Counsel, you may proceed. Counsel Sampon, thank you. And Madam Witness, can you hear me? Witness, yes, I can. Counsel, before the break, we discussed the issue of marriages. I'd like to put a question to you again by referring to your statement, that is question answer 156. And I quote, question, did that require approval from the parents or from Angka? Answer 156. There had to be approval from the parents, and it was reported to Angka at the district level. End of quote. So that is on the decision to marry those people. And Madam Witness, do you stand by your statement as correct? Answer, yes, it is correct. Counsel, thank you. In question answer 113, and allow me to quote, questioned, were those forced marriages, or those marriage arrangements designated by center level down to zone level, to sector level, then to district and commune level, or were they decided by the commune or district level? Answer 113. The center level did not decide them. The commune and district level did. End of quote. And Madam Witness, do you stand by that statement that I just read out? Answer, yes, I do. It is correct. Counsel, thank you. And again, on the decision of marriage, a witness who testified a few days ago, that is on the 22nd April 2015, and I refer to transcript E1/290.1. At around 13 hours 57 minutes, and allow me to quote from the transcript. Question, and the decision to have group marriages, was that a decision made by the district itself, or was that also an instruction from the upper echelon? Answer, the upper level officials gave the authorization, and it was up to us to organize those marriages, whether they were individual or collective. We consulted the communes and the district in order to celebrate such marriages. But we also had to consult the parents of those involved, and in particular the couples themselves. End of quote. And Madam Witness, do you concur with the statement of Pichim? Answer, yes, I do. Counsel, thank you. Now I move to another topic, that is Krang Tachan office. In your written record of interview with the OCIJ, you spoke about the Krang Tachan office, that it was under the supervision of the district. And at question answer 187, you mentioned what I just stated. Is that statement correct, Madam Witness? Answer, yes, it is. Counsel, thank you. Yesterday, at around 11 hours and 8 minutes, the co-prosecutor showed a document which was a letter from Ta'an, who was chief of Krang Tachan office, to you, and the letter dated 1st August 77, and I refer to document E3/2012. In that document, Ta'an made a request to you to send a militiaman for the arrest of 2 men. And that document was shown to you by the OCIJ investigator. And in your interview, you said that your commune received that kind of letter or document. That is the document that I just gave out, the number. That is E3/2012. Madam Witness, can you locate that document? That is E3/2012. Witness, no, I cannot locate it. Madam, can you find it? Answer, no, we haven't located it yet. Counsel, Mr. President, I don't have the document with me, but I think the document is with the court officer. President, yes, you can do that. Just locate the document and show it to her, so that she can examine it. Counsel, thank you, Mr. President. Witness, may I ask my duty counsel to read it to me? Counsel Kongsamon, I may give you a summary of that letter to you. In fact, it was a letter sent to you from the aunt requesting you to send militiamen to arrest two men. Do you recall that event? And in fact, the co-prosecutor put some questions to you regarding this letter. Witness, I cannot recall it. Counsel, please examine the document and whether you recall that you received that document during the Democratic Cambodia period. That document dated 1st August 1977. Witness, I cannot recall it clearly, Mr. President. From what I can see, that the letter originated from Krantachan office. Counsel, thank you. I recalled that due response to the last question by Counsel Copper this afternoon, that you was sick all year round during 1977. Can you please tell the court whether you actually went to work when you were sick in that year? Answer. During that year, I was sick, and it happens that I was also pregnant. For that reason, I did not go to work far, and most of the time I would stay at home, and sometimes I stayed at my work office. So allow me to stress that I rarely received any communication from the soldiers, although it was addressed to me. I myself did not deal with it, as there were men at the commune who dealt with those matters. Counsel, thank you. Also, regarding this letter, did you receive this kind of letters, or whether you cannot recall it? Answer, I do not have anything to hide, but I cannot recall whether I received such a letter or not. Counsel, thank you. Regarding the matter at the sector level, in your written record of interview at question answer 59, you stated that Sambut was at the Sector 13 committee for a while, And later on, Ron came to be Sector 13 Committee until the end of the Khmer Rouge regime. And that's what you mentioned in your answer 59. And allow me to provide you with a full quote. Answer 59. Yes. Then Sambut, who was in charge of the army, came to govern Sector 13. I did not know which army Sambut came from. Sambut was Sector 13 committee for a while, but not all the way until the end of the Khmer Rouge regime. Next, Ron, male, came to be Sector 13 committee until the end of the Khmer Rouge regime. I do not remember Ron's full name. End of a quote. And my question to you, Madam Witness, how did you know whether Sambut or Ron were related to Tam Mok? Answer: no, I did not know about that, and I did not know these two men that well. Counsel, thank you. And do you know who was chief of Sector 13 before Sambut? Answer: there were many changes and I cannot recall it. And I cannot recall who was before Sambut. Counsel, I'd like to ask you about the committee of Sector 13 before Sambut arrived. Can you recall the name of that Sector 13 committee? There were Saum and Mut. Counsel, thank you. This morning, in your response to the question put to you by Judge Lavagne, you said that Pratt worked at the sector, and can you tell us the position of Pratt at Sector 13 committee? Answer: my apology, I think I was confused. Before Sambut, there was a Pratt. I did not know his real position, but he was at the Sector 13 committee for a brief period of time. Question: how brief was it? Do you mean in terms of months or year? Answer: I cannot recall that clearly whether he was there only for months or a year, but to my recollection, he was there for less than a year. Question: do you recall as when Sambut came to replace Pratt? Answer: no, I cannot recall that. Counsel, thank you. In relation to document E3/2048, and that document was shown to you, and Madam Witness, can you locate that document? Witness, I am looking through the documents. Counsel, Madam Witness, do you locate the document? Witness. Yes, I located the document, but it is difficult for me to read it. Counsel, that is all right, and I'd like to refer to another document, that is document D157.64, and that document was referred to by Judge Lavange. Please look at that document, as I have questions to put to you in relation to these two documents. Counsel, Madam Witness, have you located that document? Answer, yes, I have. Counsel, that document is a short one, and please allow you to look at the bottom part of that document. The document is a report, and towards the bottom of the document, your name, Boon, was mentioned. And in the previous document, your name, Boon, was also mentioned. And my question to you is the following. Can you tell the chamber the word Boon that appeared in the two documents? Is it your name or is it your signature? Answer, it is my name. It is not a signature. Counsel, thank you. So, if you have to sign, you will have a separate signature. Am I correct? Answer, yes, I would sign, I would have my signature, and I would write my name. But in these documents, only the names appeared. Counsel, thank you. And Madam Witness, do you recognize the handwriting on the documents? Witness, no, I do not recognize it. Counsel, thank you. Can you confirm whether the handwriting is yours or it belongs to someone else? Answer, no, it is not my handwriting. and my name here is written alone. This is not a full name. Thank you, Madam Witness and Mr. President. I do not have any further questions. President, thank you, Counsel. The proceedings today comes to an adjournment now, and we will resume it on Thursday, the 7th May 2015 from 9 o'clock in the morning. On that day, we will hear the testimony of a witness. Through TCW 822, this information is for the parties and the general public. And Madam Kambun, the Chamber is grateful for your video link testimony as a witness for the last 2 days. Your testimony may contribute to ascertaining the truth in this case, and it is now the end of your testimony, and you may rest. And the Chamber wish you good health. And Counsel Mom Ratir, the Chamber would like to thank you as well, and you too may be excused. Security personnel, you are instructed to take the two accused, Kieu Sampon and Nuon Chie, back to the detention facility and have them return to attend the proceedings on the morning of Thursday, 7 May 2015 before 9 o'clock. The Chamber is now adjourned.